Road Champs made this 1/43rd scale police car nearly 20 years ago. I vaguely remember removing the original graphics with nail polish remover, thinking I could change it into a Disney park security vehicle. It was a pretty cheap model that I bought at Walmart. One nice thing about the Road Champs models is how the base is held to the body. 2 Phillips head screws hold it together, but I won't need to take this one apart. No sanding, no painting, just a fresh set of decals. I'm thinking about doing a little diorama with a range of NASA-themed cars and trucks, so I'll print a variety of designs. Once printed and sealed with a clear coat, the decals can now be applied. Sorry about my grubby fingernails. I was spreading mulch the other day and the black dye has really worked its way into my skin. So the yard looks great, but my hands are a mess. I bought a lot of diecast cars over the years, mostly ones that would complement my O-scale trains in size and style. This Burago BMW might look good as some sort of NASA chase vehicle. Who knows? The BMW is a smaller car than the Caprice, so the decals have been scaled down and reduced in number. The light bar was found in a parts bin and is attached with gel superglue. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop.